Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes. Welcome to my channel. So, you guys asked for it, and here I am to deliver it to you. We are talking about some stylish fall pants that you can DIY. So, yes, I found some stylish pants and we're matching them up with patterns. So, let me show you this first pair, and I just love these pants right here. I love the simplicity of them, but I also love the detail of like the pleat in the front, and then you can see that you have an elasticated waist with the ties that you pull through, so you do have like your drawstring tie as well. These look so comfy and can be coupled with like a t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, and even a sweatshirt as well. And the pattern that I thought of when I saw these is Simplicity 3036 Mimi G. She just came out with this pattern, you guys, so it is available to purchase, and I just think that the details are just pretty much spot on if you want to make a pair that looks a lot like these. So let's take a look at the line drawings, because I want you to see how detailed and how close this is to the stylish set that I'm showing you. You have your pockets on the side, you have your elasticated waist as I mentioned before, and you also have that pleat running down the front. So I think that personally this is an amazing matchup, and yeah, it would be so very comfortable to wear in so many different ways. And as you can see, you can even dress these up as well. So the next pair of pants that I saw were like these little joggers or pajama bottoms, whatever you want to wear them as. And you're probably thinking of the pattern that I'm going to show you if you have been watching me for some time. But I absolutely love these, and I definitely love the rib knit. So the pattern that I thought of when I saw these, of course, is Simplicity 9337. You guys, I love this pattern. Okay, it's so easy to sew and super easy to wear. We are talking about Vue C, those little joggers. And if you look at the details, I mean, spot on. You got your pockets, you got your drawstring, you got your elasticated waist, and you got your cuffs at the bottom. So let's look at the line drawing so you can see this just a little bit closer. I mean, it is pretty much a replica. It's all about the fabric, okay? And I tell you that often. It depends on the type of fabric that you put with the pattern that can make it look so very different. You can make it look more casual, or you can make it look more dressy if you like. And I just absolutely love these, and definitely cannot wait to make them in a rib knit. So the next pair of pants that I found were these like culotte type pants. Okay, very cool, but at the same time, you know, it's great for the fall because you have your cool days and your warm days. They go above the ankle, they have the tie up, your drawstring, and the pattern that I thought of to match with this is, of course, Simplicity 9929, where you have Mimi G and Brittany J Jones on the cover. You can see these flared out short pants is what we like to call them as well, or you can call them a culotte. I don't know another name for them, but I think that the details for these are great. But let me tell you, if you don't want these to be as flared as the ones that Mimi G is wearing, you can simply leave out the gusset that's in the inner thighs there, as you see the arrow pointing to. Just leave that pattern piece off and put your seams together, and you will have more so of the look that is on the actual inspiration photo over there. Okay, and again, it depends on the fabric, the type of knit that you want to use to make these up with. But you guys, these pants I think are really a good match. So let's move on to the next one, and we have these striped pants, okay, where you have the one stripe going down the side. Now you do have your snaps at the bottom, but let me show you how you can kind of like wear them like this or not wear them like this. It's totally up to you. And I found Vogue 1830. Okay, you can customize these any way you want to. Number one, we are looking at Vue C down there, and you can add some length to make these full length pants, but the key is the stripe on the side. Now you can add some faux buttons or snaps or whatever if you choose to, but if you choose to leave them off, you definitely can do that and have this look. So let's take a look at the line drawing here, and as you can see, it's all put together. Now, I do believe that on the inspiration photo, the waistband is elastic, and you can definitely do that and change that up. And on the pattern, it is like a button-up waistband with some belt loops. It's up to you how you want to do that. So, while we were doing pants, I said, why not add some jumpsuits in here, okay? Because they're in the pants category too. So I went looking for some jumpsuits, and I found this really cute jumpsuit that you can wear just like this in the fall, or you can put like a blazer or a cardigan or something over it if it's cooler, okay? And you can of course put like some closed-toed shoes, some little heels, or whatever you want to wear with those, some cute little boots. It's up to you what you want to wear with them, but I thought that this was really cute for fall. But what caught my attention was a pattern that I have that I knew would match pretty good, and that's Butterick 6330. We are talking about Vue E down there in the lower left corner. You guys, if this is not like almost a perfect match, there is just like a couple of things that's different. No, one thing that's different pretty much, and that's the waist. Where in the inspiration photo, the waist is a tie-up. On the pattern, you have like a band, like a belt band, okay? But if you look over there on Vue D, that is a drawstring waist. So you can simply do that waist on this jumpsuit if you choose to, and omit the belt or the tie or whatever. But you do have an elastic waist. Just pull your drawstring through that, and you will pretty much kind of have pretty much that jumpsuit is the way that I see it. I think that this is a really good matchup for this. I love the shape of it. You have the pockets to match with it, you know, and it's just not getting like right on, but getting as close as possible to this as you can. So for the last one, I found this cute little jumpsuit because we are talking about the fall and going into cooler weather. I just thought that this was so cute. This little rib knit jumpsuit that zips in the front. You have your hood on it. You have your cuffs at the bottom, and I just think that it's like a really comfy piece to wear. Now, I'm going to tell you, I looked through and through to find a pattern because I'm like, out of all these, I know there has got to be a pattern that looks somewhat like this, okay, or even gets close. And you know, I hit the jackpot with it. Yes, I did find it when I went back to Butterick, my patterns through Butterick, and I saw Butterick 6861. And yes, I knew that it looked kind of familiar, but we can change up a couple of things. You guys, we're looking at Vue B there in the red, and you have the hood, you have the zipper in the front. You do have like your gathers, like your elastic gather in the waist, not in the waist, but at the ankle and around the wrist. But you can change that up and just simply make use some cuffs instead. So you just have to, you know how to kind of move that around. But if you look at the line drawing, and add you some rib knit, omit the belt or keep the belt, you pretty much have this little jumpsuit here, okay? Or very, very close to it. I just think that is so cute, so comfy, so perfect to lounge around the house in. So you guys, I'm telling you, you tell me how I did with these stylish pants matchup that you can DIY yourself. You tell me how I did in the comments. And if I reminded you of any patterns that you have in your stash that you have not cut out yet, and if you're gonna do it. So thanks for watching. This has been really fun, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.